cinema you gotta capture. From rural vibes to the city roar, Nairobi tales that hit your core. In the villages, kids run free. Kobenata shows what most don't see. Her lens brings life to every face. Struggles and joys all in one place. Kobenata tours with a smile so bright, sharing real stories from morning to night. Her interviews truly touch the soul, bringing us closer, making us whole. She collaborates with hearts so pure. Every handshake makes us.
Hi guys, once again kobenata over here guys. Today I'm taking you to a road trip. Yeah guys, you know what, today I'm taking you to a road trip, so join me, watch the video up to the end, then you'll know where I'm heading to. It's an amazing place. Guys, I decided to start this video on this car. Yes, so we are airing 3 hours, I think like 2 hours, yeah, because it's a personal car, so it's 2 hours time, but using the matatu I think it's like 3 hours. So guess where? And I'm in Uganda, Kampala. This is your lady kobenata from Kenya, a vlogger from Kenya. So guys, I'm so happy, and I have my pilot here. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Yes.
How are you doing?
What's your beautiful name?
I'm called Aya from Uganda.
Uganda.
She's my good friend.
Yeah, good friend.
Maybe drive.
Harriet over there.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Of course, Harriet as usual.
Yeah. Wow. So guys, let's continue with that trip, road trip. Yeah, and watch up to the end so that you can know where we are heading to. Look at that. And this. Raining here in Uganda, Kampala. one you celebrate what? Matthias?
Matters Day. And people come and remember the matters that day. Yeah, they come and remember.
That's the time the Kenyans they can walk
Exactly.
from
They walk all the way from Kenya
to here. Okay. But are they Ugandan the ones who walk or they are Kenyans?
They are Kenyans. They just come and also pray with us.
Okay.
But it's big. It's a big shrine.
Yeah, I can see even down there. I don't know whether we are going to get time to come and visit the shrine, guys. But just watch as we pass. Ah, it's a big one, eh? And all these stones,
Come and remember them.
they are carved. Okay. What are there in those stones? Okay, guys. We should get time for that. They're painting big church there. They are building. Wow, look at the ambience, guys. This looks so beautiful. Yeah, we are still on our way to our destination.
No, yesterday I took this car in the garage. I paid 450.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
What can I just say, you know?
Okay, I paid 450 and then
People will love riding, but let me tell you, you have to
nteekamu amafuta ga mitwalo 5 era ntaddemu
let us not
no gakyalimu nenteekamu 7 emmotoka nze mpona emmotoka bannanga abantu ababana emmotoka it's so expensive.
No, I will just put the voice on.
Yeah.
You can talk.
Yeah.
Sun is a rock now. I have to put my music. I'm looking for that.
From the heart of the city to the edge of the plains, she walks with a purpose. She's breaking the chains. Camera rolling, stories unfold. Truth in her lens, more precious than gold. Through the slums, through the hills she goes, capturing life where the real story flows. No filter, no script, just love, just light, bringing the struggle and joy to the sight. Ooh, kobenata, shining like a star. Voices of the people, echoes near and far. Kobenata, heart so wide, walking through the villages, standing with pride. She's the queen of the scene, bringing truth to the screen. Every story she tells got the world on its feet. From Nairobi style to the village fire, she's bridging the gap, making things worthwhile. She sits with the mamas, she laughs with the kids. She listens to struggles of warriors and elders of men. Behind every tear there's a lesson she finds, and every story is told. She gives sight to the blind, interviews, deep testimonies grip you inside, telling the stories the world won't disguise. Her collaborations, it's a moment to feel, bringing the love, making everything real. Ooh, kobenata, shining like a star.
Where they do mad record. Here on this road.
Oh, this road you go inside, then you get the wrestling place, yeah? Oh.
This is Mobolo.
Oh.
I would say that over
And they do the wrestling like how many, when and when?
Fridays only.
Oh, Fridays. Okay. Guys, look at that. The street food.
This is Namawojolo.
Nama?
Namawojolo, where they have
Yeah, we have to eat now. We have to eat this food. The street food, guys. Look at that. They are selling arrows. Yeah, we can ask them, yeah?
But it's good you eat that chicken from the skin, not this one.
From that?
Not this one from the skin.
Ah.
Now they are using us, but why are you holding cameras?
Hey.
Camera, I'm not supporting you.
So if you don't like the camera, why should I promote you?
Twagala kukola ki? Kufuna.
Tetwagala.
Okay, we go. We go.
Let's go. This place is called what?
This is Namawojolo. Namawojolo. This is one of the famous places in case you want street chicken. Yeah.
Street meat.
You want plantain.
Yeah, you get it here. Oh, guys, street food like everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, they are selling street food. Chest is nice. The chest one, yeah?
How much is it?
7,000. That one is nice, and you get another chest like this one.
You want that one, eh?
Yeah,
You have like this, eh?
yeah, I like a big one. You saying what?
No?
All of them, they're 7,000?
No, one. This one.
You check. You want to which one? I get for you.
What?
You want?
Which one? You want Sambi?
Eh.
Oh, you got Sambi.
No, but I want the wing also.
The wing?
The wing, yeah. Is it fresh for today?
Yeah, it's for today.
Eh?
So guys, we are getting chicken. Street food, yeah? As we proceed to Jinja, as we proceed to our destination. It's just smoky. How much is it?
This is liver and gizzard. This is liver gizzard.
Okay. That one for the liver and chicken.
The one.
Plantain. No, this one liver, I've taken the chicken. I'm coming, yeah? Yeah. Let's get the plantain. Are we not going to eat with the plantain? Cut it here, eh? But plantain is yeah, that is the thing I got it from there. You want the warm one? Are they warm?
Yeah, she's going to warm them.
Oh. Huh? You don't want those?
They are soft. Mine is Nazengadenyo.
You don't want the hard ones?
Ayangadenyo, ebalungi.
Eh, abamlo. Where one could make big?
He's selling.
I'm telling her for 2,000. Nice ones, eh?
So for 2,000, how many?
How many are you going to give us? 4, eh?
Oh, for 2,000.
You know when
So
they are
meaning
so
1,000 is 2. So add another one for 1,000 so that you can get
for 5.
2. Or what do you mean? Let them be sick. So you're saying like this one, 1,000.
Like I have these ones, like this for 2,000. Even this for 2,000.
Oh. So you can put for
3,000.
2, another 2, like this for 4, is it? Yeah.
That is for 3,000.
Remove this one now. Why are you removing that one?
I had ordered for 4,000.
Oh, for 4,000. Oh, it's okay. 4,000 is okay. 4,000 is so this place, guys, is for the plantain.
Soda one.
Soda, I don't take soda. Maybe you enjoy water. You don't have to enjoy water. Nice. Enjoy water. That one I can take. You enjoy. Yeah. Harriet! Yeah. Are you going to take water? Yes. You're going to take water?
But we shall buy from the other colleague. The one who has.
Oh, yeah. We promised someone we are going to get water from her. Let us go and promote her. Yeah, so all these places for them, it's a street food, eh? But everyone stops here.
As for street food, everyone stops there.
Oh.
You have street food and then you proceed.
Yeah, so everyone stops here. That's why even us, we have stopped here to get the street food, eh? We are going to enjoy the plantain and chicken together.
Tell us.
The chicken is good though, but they have stolen mine small. You see mine? They have stolen mine small, eh? Because I was not there to be nice. Yeah, so guys, this is our chicken. Innocent, are you enjoying your chicken?
Yes. Oh my God, this chicken is so sweet. It's nice.
Yeah.
You're sweeted.
Hey.
And it's so cheap. Yeah, so guys, we got chicken, the street food, eh? And also Innocent. How do you feel it?
I am. Oh my God. The chicken is so nice. It is so tasty.
Yes.
Yeah. You should come and visit
Enjoy.
Uganda
Yes.
and enjoy this chicken.
Yes.
Yeah.
Harriet. Big one, eh, Harriet? You.
This is all me. I'm big. Why don't I eat big things?
Yes. Hey, Aunt McJo.
It's the best. Wow.
Wow. So guys,
This is the best road trip.
the best one, eh? I'm enjoying my chicken. See you after this.
Mother is good, eh? I'll tell you number. He has given me his number. Next time if you are coming, just call me. It's good.
Enjoying my chicken. Captain also enjoying. How do you over there?
This is the best road trip ever. Huh?
Hey, I'm telling you, with the plantain. See you after this. Okay, the ambience. Wow. Flower. Is this a flowering farm or an hotel or what? It's an industry.
It's a factory. Yeah,
Okay.
for sugar.
Oh, for sugar. Okay, that's good. This one, 60.
So we are entering Lugazi.
Ruga?
Lugazi.
Rugazi. So this we are leaving is Mabira.
No, we are not yet in Mabira.
Oh.
We are entering Lugazi. The sugar factory is around here. This is the Lugazi sugar factory. This one you showed there.
This one, the Rugazi Sugar Factory. And then we have the cable operation. Wow. Right here. Huh? Oh, you can't tell?
Are you enjoying the ambience, the forest?
I'm enjoying too much, yeah? It's like in Kenya now. Karura
The
forest.
other side of Uganda. Wow.
Said, yeah.
Behind every tear, there's a lesson she finds. In every story is told,
So
she
you want
gives
to
sight to
sell
the
some
blind.
bananas.
Interviews deep, no fear in her eyes. Telling the stories.
These are the sugar cane or the
Yes.
yeah, these
Now they're
are
taking it
sugar
to the
cane.
factory.
Yeah.
It's a moment to feel.
Wow.
Bringing the love.
So on this road, if you're not careful,
First of all, remember this road, even the trucks use this road. Big trucks. Now you when you want to overtake a truck, how you fall
like this. Yeah.
You see now this one, the other one is coming and I want to overtake like
There are a lot of trucks on this road.
A lot of them. I've seen a lot of trucks.
She tells God the world on its feet. From Nairobi lights to the village nights. She's bridging the gap, making
And even some they drive when they are drunk.
She's a vibe. She's a
Approaching weekend, even now in Kampala, they want to go somewhere and chill.
Yeah, because of the heat. footage. Oh,
then that is-
look at that. Wow. Hey. That's why I don't like any minced meat if I am not
You
there.
can imagine the guy is taking dogs like he's taking goats. Can you imagine?
And even they are saying we are capturing them.
And the guy said, don't capture that.
But I'm going to I'm after this one.
When I overtake it.
Again, say, no, to say you. Ananga again,
When the guy has gone and he has rushed. Maybe it was like
Welcome to Jinja City. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Welcome to Jinja City, the source of River Nile. Wow. Okay. Welcome to Jinja City. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. Look at that. Wow. And the lake on the other side.
That's the river.
That's the river coming from the lake. Wow. The source of River Nile. So we are entering Jinja City.
Heart of the city to the edge of the
Guys, we are
plain.
entering Jinja town.
She walks with a
you make
purpose.
it
She's
Jinja
breaking the
City.
chains.
Yeah, we are entering Jinja
Camera
City right
room,
now.
stories unfold.
Woo.
Truth in a lens,
Hey,
more
you can
precious
see
than
at the
gold.
bottom 7 is too much, yeah?
Through the slums, through the hills she goes, capturing life where the real story flows. No filter, no script, just love, just life.
Yes,
Bringing the struggle and joy to the side. Oh, kobenata shining like a star.
So that one is going to the city or
Yeah, we are going to the city. Don't you see the cities there?
what? Wow.
There are roads, names, Radio Road.
Wow.
Jinja is a nice town. Eh?
Yeah.
Looks good.
I'm going to give you your foods. Eh? No, it's okay. You foods. Foods.
I think it's on this road. If I'm
Where?
not mistaken. Dino, Dino, Kubo, Dino.
Okay. The town is busy.
Yeah, it's so good and busy. Wow, guys, look at that. The Jinja town. Wow. Wait for another footage. I'm going to give you nice videos from this town. We are just entering this one. Oh, this is the Jinja town.
No, it's okay. Let me get a parking. Jinja, it's a town.
Oh, it takes you to Kampala. I've already passed it, but I'll show people today. That's good.
We park here, then I get out.
You find them on this road.
That thing is nice.
Jinja. Welcome to Jinja. Welcome to Jinja. Oh my god. And this coffee has made me awake. Yes. It has made me awake.
6 minutes.
police.